Earlier, the bathrooms had floor-mounted commode. We are remodeling it, so it can accommodate the wall-mounted commode. These are the newly remodeled bathrooms with tropical theme, with premium bathroom fittings and a PVC fall ceiling with designer lights. For home renovation, interior design and architectural construction in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on home renovation, interior design and architectural construction, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.